Writing a direct variation equation. Suppose that y varies directly with x and y is 10 when x is 25. Part A wants us to write a direct variation equation that relates x and y, and Part B wants you to find y when x is 6. So we have to do Part A, which is to come up with a direct variation equation. Now, if I read this problem here, it says that y varies directly with x. When you read something like that, that's saying that y is a multiple of x. So y is some number times x. That's what it means to vary directly with another value. And they're actually telling you that y is 10 and x is 25 is one of the solutions to this. So we're going to substitute those values in. When y is 10 and x is 25, we get this equation here. What's good about this is that we can solve this for k by dividing both sides by 25. And I would get k on this side when I simplify it. And then on this side, I could actually reduce 10 over 25. They're both divisible by 5. So when I divide it by 5, I get 2 over 5. So that's the value of k. Now that we know how much k is, we could actually write our equation. For Part A, it wants you to write a direct variation equation. So it has this format: y equals a number times x, and we just found k. K is 2 over 5. So I substitute that value, and I get this equation: y equals 2/5 x. That's my direct variation equation. I substitute that for my answer here, and that's Part A is complete. Part B is saying, okay, now that we have our equation, they want you to come up with the value of y. How much is y when x equals 6? So now all you have to do is replace x with 6 in your equation that you found and simplify it. So I'll do that work over here. Y equals 2/5 x. I replace x with the answer that they're saying, x is 6. So I substitute that in. And now I have to just simply multiply. 6 times 2/5. How much is that? Well, I would get 12/5. And that's my answer. So I take that answer and I put it over here. Y equals 12 over 5.